Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram. So if you want to hide your following list on Instagram, I have a bad news for you. You can't actually hide your following list on Instagram because Instagram does not allow it, especially if you have a public account. Since you cannot hide your following list on Instagram, you can try these steps if you don't want people that aren't following you not to be able to see your following list. So you will need to go back to your profile, just click the arrow left side. At the top, you will see 3 lines, just click that. You can see the option. Click the settings and privacy. Just scroll down and then you will see account and privacy. Click that. You will see this, private account, just turn on. And there you go, your Instagram account is already private. So you will see the lock icon in your name above. However, even your account is private or public, your followers on Instagram, they will still able to see your following list. Because as I said before, there's no way to hide your following list on Instagram. But I hope this helps. See you on our next video.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.